Alright, you are welcome back. I haven't set all your page in order. You are able to set the PZ and the rest. So what next is that how to fund the ad account. Running adverts on Facebook is not free, so you have to pay for it before your ad can become active and people can see before they can start ordering from you. So once you log into this place, binning.facebook.com, sorry, not binning, business.facebook.com will bring you to this place. All right, so I will go to under manage, which is which is there, and I will click on binning. I click on binning. There is a app that I will also recommend that you download on your phone, which is called Facebook Business Manager. That one you can also fund your account. Is a mobile of what you are doing here on laptop. You can run ads directly from it also. So maybe I will create a video of how you can actually do that. I'm not sure yet, but I may create it so that you can see how you can use the mobile to create it as well. In case if you don't have access to laptop, might be on your way and you need to adjust some things, maybe I will do that one. I don't know yet, but I will see what I can do about that one. So you click on binning. You click on binning. It's loading. Binning. So you can see I have money in my other account presently. So if you scroll down, you can see my record. You see more. So I have money there. Actually, I have 1,000 naira there. So to add money to this one now, your own will be 00 or thereabouts. If I will not be running out before, it will be 00. So you click on add funds. How much did you want to add? The amount you want to add, we put it there, and you click on. Don't use this debit or credit card. Use this Naira payments with MasterCard, and you click on add fund. Click continue. And from here you enter the card details that you want to use, just like normal online transaction now. So you enter your details and click on this one. They will send you an OTP which you will confirm, and from there the money will be added to your ad account and you will see the money here. Not only this place that you can see that money, you can as well, if you're on your ad manager, this the twist, click on ad manager. If you are on your ad manager, you can add money here. Just click on this just click on this all ticks. You see the binning here. So you see the binning here directly. So you can click on it. It will still take you to that place I went the other time. So I just want to show you something. Now I will go back to that event manager from here. You know, you can go through business settings, or you go through that manager ad manager. It will show you the event manager. Review which limited conversion event can be used by users. Okay, sorry, let me just go through this. Okay, I'm seeing that invest manager, so I will click on custom conversion. Now if you remember that I filled form in the previous one, I fill a particular form, and see it now, he has marked it under my, he has marked it that someone has visited the page. Let me go back to the page and refresh this place. You will see the constant conversion. It will mark it. Let me refresh. I didn't be that when I was creating it that time, I tag it buyer or purchase. That means once I visit this page, or like if you remember when I filled the form, it took me to another page which I call thank you page. If I copy that thank you page and I tag that thank you page and I call this one, instead of visitor, I call it buyer or purchase or whatever. So it will mark it also that I've recorded one purchase. I don't know if you get it. So that is how it works. This one is still loaded. I think the network is poor. I will refresh. Let me refresh the page. You should mark this one too. Because this one is still loading since I don't understand. It's not even reflecting. The network is too poor. I don't know. It's just too bad. If we continue like this, I may end it now. We will continue later. Or could it be the website? This one is loading fast. So I just want to show you that if the number of people that visit this website, the conversion custom, because I say it's a visitor that I want you to track, it will mark it for me. And that is not only the place that you can also get it, you can still get it from your under your PC. Come to this data source, and this is the PZ, right? So you can see now he has record. Okay, let me click on the test again. He has not been fired very well, so it's still showing that red. There's no problem. You can see that he has record of 4 people have visited the page. He have record of 1 person have purchased the product. Why? Because I filled for that time. That's why I marked this one, and I visited that page 4 times. So the reason why we use custom conversion at times is in case if PZ did not cache that record, track record. Let me just use that one. If it doesn't track that record, then custom conversion should be able to track the record. So from here now, I will straight go to how to run ad. We are going to go to how to run ad. All right. See you in the next class.